Hello friends, welcome to EDU Seva, your daily destination for exam preparation. On this channel, we bring you the most important MCQs, current affairs, and GK, specially designed for GPSC, TET, Gujarat Police, Talati, and BIN Sachivalay exams. Every video on EDU Seva is carefully crafted to help you score more marks in less time. So if you are serious about your government exam preparation, hit that subscribe button right now and turn on the bell icon so you never miss a single video. The Constitution Drafting Committee included 7 members.
The President of India can proclaim a constitutional emergency under Article 356. The President is not a member of either house of the country's legislature. Fundamental duties are mentioned in Part IVA of the Indian Constitution. Article 352 of the Indian Constitution provides for a national emergency. The governor of a state in India is appointed by the President of India. Article 3 of the Constitution allows the center to form new states. The minimum age for becoming a governor of a state in India is 35 years. Cultural and educational rights are granted under Articles 29 and 30 of the Constitution. Civil servants are not permitted to become members of Parliament. The National River Conservation Directorate is under the Ministry of Environment and Forests. Right to information is considered a fundamental right. The promotion of international peace and security is mentioned in the Directive Principles of State Policy in the Constitution of India. The 9th schedule of the Constitution of India was added by the First Amendment. The literal meaning of certiorari is to be certified or to be informed. The constituents of the Indian Parliament are the President, the Council of States, and the House of the People. The executive head of India is the President. Anti-defection law is included in the 10th schedule of the Indian Constitution. The President of India has the supreme command of the Indian Defence Forces. The oath of the President of India is administered by the Chief Justice of India. By convention, the Chairman of the Press Council of India is a retired judge of the Supreme Court of India. Appointments for all India services are made by the President. The Supreme Court of India is the final authority for interpreting the Indian Constitution. The residuary powers of legislation under the Indian Constitution rest with the Parliament. The President of India is not a member of the National Development Council. The President can dismiss a member of the Council of Ministers on the recommendation of the Prime Minister. The right to constitutional remedies comes under fundamental rights. The term district judge is mentioned in Article 233 of the Constitution. Lok Sabha elects the President and the Vice President and removes judges of the Supreme Court and High Court. The Public Accounts Committee in India is normally chaired by a prominent member of the opposition. The Parliament amends the Constitution. There are 6 fundamental rights mentioned in the Indian Constitution. Articles 20 and 21 cannot be suspended even during an emergency. Under the Constitution of India, tribunals being in Part 10 is not correctly matched. A money bill may be introduced only in the Lok Sabha. Population control and family planning is listed in the concurrent list given in the 7th schedule. Central Bureau of Intelligence and Investigation is listed in the Union list given in the 7th schedule. Maharashtra has a bicameral legislature. Mandamus is issued when a court finds that a particular officeholder is not doing their legal duty, infringing on an individual's right. The fundamental right in the Indian Constitution that includes abolition of untouchability is the right to equality. The impeachment of the President of India can be initiated in either House of Parliament. The right to equality, a fundamental right, states that all persons shall be equally protected by the laws of the country. Betting and gambling is listed in the state list in the 7th schedule of the Constitution of India. Advisory jurisdiction means the President of India can refer matters of public importance or constitutional interpretation to the Supreme Court for advice. Forests is listed in the concurrent list given in the 7th schedule in the Constitution of India.